Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if you are not able to cash out on FreeCash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open the FreeCash on your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. First, check your balance. FreeCash has a minimum cash out amount. If your balance is below the minimum, you won't be able to withdraw yet. Just complete a few more offers until you reach the limit. Now check your account verification. Sometimes FreeCash requires email or security verification before cashing out. Go to your profile at the top right corner and complete any pending verifications. Next, make sure your account is not restricted or frozen. If your account has a warning, cash out may be blocked. This can happen if rules were broken, like using a VPN or multiple accounts. Next, check your payment details. If you are using PayPal, make sure your PayPal email is correct and your PayPal account is active. Wrong details can stop withdrawals. Also, do not use a VPN. VPNs can block withdrawals and cause security issues. And that's it. That's how you fix not being able to cash out on FreeCash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.